Hello all, it's Amit Brahmecha. Today we will see how to create a JavaFX application for GUI creation. Now before doing the applications, let's understand what exactly is a JavaFX. So JavaFX is a software platform for creating and developing a rich GUI based application. It is intended to replace Swing as a standard Java library. Now before creating the application, let's understand the architecture of JavaFX. Now this is the architecture of JavaFX. Now this architecture is divided into three parts. The first part is a stage. A JavaFX stage class is a top level JavaFX container. After that there is a scene. A JavaFX scene class is a container for all the content in a scene graph. After that there is a stack pane or VBox or edgebox. Stack pane places its content nodes in a back to front single track. VBox arranges its content nodes vertically in a single column. Edgebox arranges its content nodes horizontally in a single row. Now let's start for creating the JavaFX application. I'm going to create the application in Eclipse. Go to File, New Java project. I'm creating the first my JavaFX demo. Now see this. Project is created. Now what we need to do is before developing the application, before coding, you need to add the JavaFX library. Now how to add the JavaFX library? Go to properties, right click on the project name and properties, go to Java build path. Here you need to add library. Now after that it will ask for user library, go to next. Now here you need to add the JavaFX library. I have already done this work, so if you haven't done this, go to user libraries, click on the new button, give it as a name JavaFX. After giving the name, select that name and add external jars. In add external jars, you have to go to JDK, JRE, and after that library, and you have to select JavaFX RT this library. Okay. Once you add this library, it is going to be included in this section. You can see. Now create a class, new class. Now I'm giving this name demo1 finish. Now before creating the code, let's understand that every Java class is in a JavaFX application is always extended by application class. Now so you need to extend JavaFX. So here I am including extend application. Now this is giving error because application class is having one abstract method, start method, which you need to implement in this class. So I'm adding it, add an implemented method. Here is the start method. Now what you have to do here is you have to launch this, you have to start this method. So this method is going to be start once you launch this method. Now launch arguments is nothing but this method is in the application class. This method is going to start this start method. Okay, and parameter for this is a string. So I'm writing arguments here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the labels here. So we need to add label. Make sure that you include the JavaFX scene controls, labels, L. After that I am writing button. Now this is a basic that when you have to use the labels and buttons, you need to give the memory to it. So I am giving it a memory, new label, click me. So, welcome. After that b is equals to new button. Now as the architecture says, you need to add this data on a VBox or edgebox or stack pane. So what I am doing is I am creating a object of VBox. Okay, and I am adding these labels and button on root. So how to add it? Root dot add. Root dot get children dot add. Now here you need to add the buttons and then labels or either you can write add all, and here you can pass the root, sorry, you can pass the label as well as button. Okay, now once the root is completed, the next part is a scene. So we need to create the object of a scene. So I'm creating the object of scene. And pass it as a parameter root. Now the last stage is we need to add these components on the stage. Now this stage here, this is a stage. Now what you have to do is stage dot set scene. There is a method set scene, and you need to pass the object of the scene here. Okay, and after that you need to use a show method of the stage class. Now this is how the coding is done in a JavaFX. Now I'm running it. See this, welcome, click me. These are the two components which are added, and we have used the VBox. That's why it is in a one column. If we have used the HBox, it will come in a one row. So this is how you do the coding in JavaFX. We will see the next part in the future tutorial. Thank you.